Hey everyone! Welcome to Ender IT. In this video, we'll show you 8 camera settings all Samsung owners need to change ASAP. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's dive into the method. I'm going to show you all the different settings I change in the camera app on every Samsung phone I own. Right out of the box, there are a lot of things to adjust, so I'll start by showing you from the very beginning. First, I go into the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top left-hand side. I then scroll down to reset settings to ensure everything is set to its default state. I then click on it. If you have an SD card inserted, the phone may prompt you about it at this stage. Click on Reset to confirm. By default, the camera is set to the 3:4 ratio. Personally, I prefer the 9:16 ratio because it matches the screen dimensions of TVs and phones, giving you a fuller view. However, if you're an avid Instagram user, you might prefer the default ratio. Now click on the gear icon to access the camera settings again. At the top left of the settings, I make sure Scene Optimizer and Document Scan are turned on. Since I often take pictures of documents, I want them to be as clear and crisp as possible, especially for text. The Swipe Shutter button option allows you to customize what happens when you swipe down on the shutter button while holding it. You can choose between taking a burst shot or creating a GIF. I usually opt for creating GIFs, as I rarely use burst shots. If you take selfies next to objects with text, like branded hats or shirts, you might notice the text appears reversed in the preview. To fix this, I disable the Save Selfies as Previewed setting, ensuring text and objects appear as they should. Next up, we have video settings. I always ensure video stabilization and auto HDR are turned on. I personally don't use location tags, but if your job requires documenting locations, example for insurance or legal purposes, you may want to enable this feature. In the penultimate position, we have shooting methods. I turn on the Show Palm option. This allows me to take selfies by simply showing my palm. Finally, I turn on grid lines to help with composition and alignment. Once you've customized your settings, make sure to save your changes. You can also rearrange shooting modes using drag and drop to suit your preferences. That's it. These are the settings I adjust on every Samsung phone I own. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out other videos for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.